Hey people, I got some company coming right here in this truck. Wait till you see who it is. There you are. Well, get out. Oh, look at the puppy. Oh, I gotta zoom in on the puppy. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. Yeah. Whoops. Look at those ears.
Hi, Saucy.
Hey. Well, hold on a second here. Wait for her to get here. Hey people, guess what? I got some visitors. And it's Big Ron's Hobbies and his wife. Soon she comes out of the truck here. Hey, come on, Paivi. Paivi, get over here. And that's Paivi from Paivi's Project. Too far, Paivi. That side. Wrong side. Oh, there they are. Hi, guys. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Yeah, I thought that was work calling this morning.
What's that?
I thought that was work calling this morning.
So you ignored my phone call?
I did.
That's all right.
Get up, check that.
Yeah, good thing you did. I would be dressed.
This is so much fun! I can't believe it!
Fine.
Oh my gosh!
Fine. Hey, did you hit record this time?
Yes, the red button is on!
Yeah, so's mine.
I thought you were still Peoria.
No, we left Peoria, what, 2 days ago? 3 days ago? 2 days ago. Hold on, I'm zooming in. So people can see you. There you are. So, again, that to the left, that's Paivi's Projects. To the right, that's Big Ron's Hobbies. Nice. That's, I was hoping you get him.
Wait to wake up!
Yeah.
I was just so excited, I couldn't believe it!
All right. Yeah, well, I looked out the window and went, where are we? I went, wait a minute. I got to give him a call. I'm hoping I'll wake you up.
That's fine. We need to get up anyway.
Okay.
It's a pretty day out, too.
Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah, we got, I think we got 3 boats ahead of us. We got 3 boats ahead of us to get through the lock. And they had a lock shutdown? And they had a lock shutdown.
Really?
That you got a cute baby.
In the handful.
Handbone?
The handful,
Yeah. Well, you two got a job to do.
That's it.
You all didn't see my announcement?
Not yet.
Any of my subscribers have a fur babies or whatever, you gotta make a video just of them.
Yeah, we saw that, yeah.
I want one of the cat and one of the dog.
Oh, boy.
Now, you gotta make some type of comment, whether it be funny, sarcastic, fun, whatever. Has to do with my channel. One of my other subscribers, she gave me that idea. She sent me a picture and said every time, and in the picture is me on her big screen TV with her dog standing there watching. And she says every time she turns to my channel, her dog comes running and watches. So I thought, that's a great idea. Find out how many others.
Yeah. Thank you for reminding me because I already forgot about it. There's pictures so much going on.
Oh, tell me about it. You got to the 25th.
Oh, ends on 25th?
June 25th to get it to me because when I get off the boat, that's when I'm going to do a production of that. And I want that T-shirt.
Did you get yours yet? You ain't been home yet, have you?
No.
This one?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I haven't been home yet. Yeah, that's right. I do have a T-shirt coming. Oh yeah, I can't wait to wear that one.
I've been wanting to know if you got it. I said, she ain't been home yet.
Yeah. As soon as I get it, I'm going to do an opening video and tag everybody.
Yeah, I like this T-shirt. It's so nice. I like it.
Well,
Did we miss steak day?
what's that?
Did we miss steak day?
Yeah, that was yesterday. Hey, I had your steak already. I'm sorry I ate it. It was a damn good steak, too. Hambone, where you at?
Probably taking a nap.
Oh, there she is.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, good girl. Look at those ears. Oh, you should see his, what, 8-month-old puppy? 5-month-old puppy.
Oh, boy.
Bigger than him. He's got a picture of him holding him. And the whole body's like this big, and he's like holding him like this. Oh, wait a minute. What did that say? Don't tell me I ain't got no more room. Okay, it's still going.
Yeah, you get home, that dog will be that tall.
Oh, yeah.
Easily. And that'll be at, what, 6 months old.
Yeah, 5 months, he was about 70 pounds, a little bit over, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be a biggie.
Oh, real big.
I'm so happy I'm not a dog groomer anymore because they are bad at work.
Yeah. But anyways, I've got to get back inside because that's chicken day and it takes a while to fry the chicken.
Yeah, you're still working. We're just here having fun.
I'm glad you guys came by.
Man, I'm back to
Oh,
roll.
yes.
Hold on. Well, everyone, I had fun with these two today. But whenever I get off the boat, I'm physically going to go see them so I can at least give them an elbow hug. So since we can't do regular hugs. All right, thanks for watching this video. If you're all new to my channel, please click on that subscription button. So click on that bell for a notification. Hit that like and leave a comment. I do respond to them all. You all have an awesome day. And thank you, Paivi Projects. And thank you, Big Ron's Hobbies, for coming to visit me. We'll see you later, y'all.